Stop second guessing whether a game is safe, and here's exactly where on the PlayStation 5 you can see age ratings and how to remove unsuitable games. Hi parents, I'm back again with another quick tutorial about video game age ratings, and this one is on the PlayStation 5. From the PlayStation 5 home screen, highlight the game you want to check and press the options button on the PlayStation controller. Scroll down to information and press X. On this screen you'll see the parental controls. This game is showing 12 years. I'll repeat the same steps for another game. Here, this one is showing 18 years. To remove a game that's not in your child's age group, press the options button when highlighting the game, select delete, then confirm by pressing OK. The game will then be removed. Finally, I want to show you the PlayStation Store. When you select any game in the store, you can see the age rating in the bottom right of its production page. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough to set age limits, restrict purchases, set playtime and configure profiles, I have a full parental control guide on the Growing Gamer Guide website. Link in the description. If you need personal help, comment below, DM us or visit the Growing Gamer Guide website. Subscribe for more practical parenting tips about video games. Goodbye.